Hello everyone. It's me back on the channel here. Um, Today is both a successful as well as unsuccessful day for me. So maybe you can start off with the good stuff, boys. So just wanna present you with this beautiful certificate, which shows that I passed another fund account on forex, of course, FTMO. Um, what can I say with this? Honestly, it's an accomplishment. It's a motive that drives me forward to trade the markets, and something that shows me how far I've come and how long my journey is, and that it's that it's paying off actually. Um, I'm not as happy as last time because last time was my first account, which obviously got uh, rejected for no reason by Alpha Capital. That's why I do not recommend going with that prop firm. Um, but yeah, I just got funded with FTMO. They already sent everything, so that's everything is fine. Hopefully, I can get the credentials really soon so I can start trading because I already missed the setup. Um, the plan for forex right now is that I'm gonna simply uh trade up until I get like $500 or whatever. Then I'm gonna convert that to points and buy a 100k account or 200k account. It depends on the prices. They didn't check the prices yet, and I'm just gonna go for the max allocation. And as a max allocation, what I can get right now, as and when I get the account, that's when I'm gonna start withdrawing because um, obviously I'm gonna withdraw from this account when I buy the new one as well. Like I'm gonna keep on trading this one and the new one, but I want to scale up. I want to be making money that's gonna allow me to be living by myself, paying my own bills, helping out my family, and basically allowing me to live, right? Because, boys, I've been on the grind for the past 4 years, and honestly, trust me, this shit broke me. And if you don't really have a motive, you don't really know why you want to do it. Why do you want to get rich? What's the goal? What's the long term goal? What's the mission? When you don't have the mission, the vision, I would not recommend to anyone to start because honestly, this shit is painful. I'm not talking about trading. I'm talking about anything, about everything. Like honestly, everything. I've tried everything, mate, and and as I'm looking at it from my perspective right now, it's honestly not worth it to chase the wealth at such a young age. Because I started when I was 13. Bear in mind that, and and what I've known since then is how to hustle, and that's fucking it. And yeah, and this is it, boys. But yeah, let's jump into the charts. Like I could say that this win dictated how my day went today in the markets, but it's not really it, because it didn't affect anything. I was not thinking about this, because I'm not thinking about this until I actually get a payout. So it's not a win yet. It's an accomplishment, yes, but it's not a win. So going into the markets, boys, I think that I honestly fucked up. I do not know where that shit changed, but I was honestly looking for buys when the market opened. I got into a buy, I got stopped out. Then I waited for the news. I was gonna get into another buy right here, but for some reason I was bearish. I mean, I took sells like 4 times, which has led me to lose $728, which is absolutely horrible. Like at this point, I'm down 1.3k, and and I honestly don't know what happened. Like I just lost it halfway through the fucking market open, halfway through the New York session, just lost it. So I'm not even gonna go for the trades that I took. Only one of them made sense, which is this one right here. I took it on NQ because NQ was more bearish. But the only trade that made sense today is this one. Like, I don't remember the execution exactly, but as I'm guessing is based on this inverse rally gap and break of structure, and then my targets were like somewhere here, the equal lows, and that's the only trade that made sense today, boys. Every other trade I took made 0 sense, completely no sense. And multiple times I tried to get into the longs, but I don't know. I just thought sells instead of buying, and I knew that we're gonna be in an option. And like this, for example, I remember looking at that and I just thought that the risk to reward ratio was not too good, or I thought that I think that I was actually calculating the contract size I wanna put, and I wasn't getting any good flows, and that's why I didn't enter. Then I've seen the structure, I've seen this break, so at this point I was no longer willing to go into buys, right? Let me just change this to normal. I think that was the thing that switched my bias. Yeah, it's not really good, boys, because that could have been a absolutely beautiful trade, right? Target here or target this 1 to 2 RR would have been nice to 15 profit considering the other loss. But yeah, I mean, I made a big ass tweet about today, and honestly, I've made a new rule that every time after I take 2 trades, no matter if there's another opportunity, I'm just gonna log myself out from trading. That's pretty much it, boys. I'm honestly devastated right now after today, because I made like the simplest mistake ever. Like, at this stage that I'm at, this mistake should have not happened at all. Like, despite the price action being super choppy, being absolutely horrible, I should have just stepped out of the markets, because that's what I have to learn to do. I have to learn when not to trade. I made the same mistake with forex for the past month, which has caused me to transition into futures, right? But still, like, I'm making the same mistakes. When the price action is not favorable, I should just like turn off the charts, come back later for the PM session, or don't come back today for the rest of the day, because tomorrow is another day to trade. So honestly, boys, I don't even know how to explain it and how to even say it, like how I feel right now. And like, it's absolutely horrible. Like, if you're a trader, you probably know how you feel after you don't follow the simplest rules that you've made for yourself. And like, you know the strategy works, because I know that it works, because I've been winning. I passed like 2 or 3 funded accounts right now, but still I just cannot keep the simple rules of not over trading, trading in the right time, and not following the bias. I literally made the video about bias, daily bias. I literally said in the video, daily bias is the most important thing in trading. But what am I doing? I'm trading the opposite. I have a clear fucking setup. We swept the sell side liquidity that I've marked down. We respected this Ferrari gap that would have been an absolutely beautiful entry, but we had the news coming out at 4, so I held back. That's why they're good. Yeah, big ups for that. But I took a trade here, so that's not a shout out to me. That's a fucking slap to my face, eh? Because again, I'm making the simplest mistakes ever, which shouldn't have happened in the first place. So what I should have done is take this trade. Look at the beautiful respection of this body gap on the 5-minute time frame. And honestly, boys, it's my fault. If it's not the news, obviously I will win today, but we can just blame everything on the news, right? No, we fucking can't, boy. It's your fault. Should have just stepped out of the market. And that's why I try to change, boys. And you have to learn on my mistakes. You do not make the same mistakes as I'm making. These videos are for me and for you to learn. We want to learn together, we want to progress together, and we want to become rich together, boys. So, again, I'm not trying to make the same mistakes again. My mistakes are overtrading, trading before the news, trading against my daily bias, which is the most fucking annoying thing ever, as daily bias is my most important. It's the key in my strategy. So I have no idea why I'm going against it, but you know how it is, boys. You know how it is. Emotions and everything get over me. So I just want to win. I'm just hungry for it. I'm just hungry for success. Yeah, I'm not gonna make this video any longer. Again, leave a like, comment, boys. Join my Discord, follow me on X, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching. See you.